Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you are doing well. So for today's video, we're going to be measuring and cutting out around lace closure. So to start, you will need a piece of paper. So first thing first, you need to figure out the width and the length of the paper. Okay, so to do that, you need to take your measuring tape, place it at the center of the paper and find the midpoint of it. So measure the full length of the paper, divide it by 2 and mark half of it on the paper, which should be the midpoint of the paper. Okay, so once you have that, go ahead and take your ruler and draw a straight line going across it. Okay, so once you have this straight line, the next step is to find the measurement, the midpoint of this line. So taking the measuring tape, place it right on the straight line. So figure out the measurement of it, and also you need to divide that by 2 and mark half of it on the paper, which would be the midpoint of the paper. Okay, so for the next step, you need to take your measuring tape, place it right at the midpoint right there. So next you need to mark or measure the length of the lace you want. So the size of the lace you want divided by 2. Okay, you need to mark half of that on one side of the square. Okay, just going from one end of the line to the other end of the straight line. So by doing this, you're creating a circle curve. You can do this without having any rulers. So just by using the measuring tape, you'll have a perfect circle curve, just like that. Okay, so once you have this right here, the next step is to fold the paper into 4. So first of all, fold it at a straight line. Okay, crease it up like that, making sure that the part that has the circular line is visible. Okay, because that's where you need to follow and cut the round shape. So next you need to take your scissors and cut around the line that you just drew on the paper. So once you open it up, it will give you the full circle. Just like that. Okay, so for the next step, you need to take that paper or pattern and place it right on your wig making lace and pin it in place. Making sure it's properly secured in place. So next, take your scissors and cut around it. Okay, just like that. So you can either attach it directly to the wig cap and ventilate the hair, or you can add a bias tape by cutting a piece of the same lace, okay, and attach it to the rough edge of the circle, so to help clean it up. So you can make your round lace closures either bigger or like wider or smaller depending on your preference. Okay, so and also, like I said, you can attach this lace directly to your wig cap before going ahead to ventilate the hair, or you can ventilate the hair first before going ahead to attach it to your wig cap depending on what you prefer. So for me, I'm going to be ventilating the hair first on the lace before going ahead to attach it to my wig cap. So I'm just going ahead to pin it to the mannequin head. And also stay tuned because that video will be it's coming very soon. I'm currently working on it, so be sure to turn on the notification bell so that way once the video is out you will be the first to watch it. Okay. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all so much for popping by. As always, if you find this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up. Okay, and also if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for popping by today, and I'll see you all in my next one.